Hello mates, welcome to a new episode of VBC DIY channel. This is episode 11. I can say about myself that I'm a vintage addict. I love to build and I love to collect vintage stuff. And when it comes about the sound, I do the same thing. Even when I'm building something with new components and new materials, I do it in a way to find a design that goes back to centuries. Everybody nowadays are making Bluetooth speakers. What I found about vintage Bluetooth speakers is they are just getting some old radios and add to them a Bluetooth amplifier. But there are not so many people to build from scratch some Bluetooth vintage speakers. So that's why I came with the idea to make 20 pairs of speakers, Bluetooth vintage speakers, this year, 2019. So I have some photos from when I've done this pair and I want to show it to you, and also we're gonna make a small test. Hope you enjoy it. Booyah! So those 20 speakers, 20 pair of speakers, I have to say that they're gonna be very different as a design. All of them, they're gonna be unique and just one pair for each design. The thing is, I'm not gonna keep the pattern for them. I'm not gonna keep the design. Everything is made by hand and done exactly like how it flows from my mind to my veins and to my hands. When it comes about functionality, I was thinking to make them really easy to use. So what I've done is you need just any 5 volts coming out from your phone charger or battery bank that you just gonna plug them in. That means they are powered on, and I'm gonna use my phone and we're gonna connect them to Bluetooth. Now the volume, it's at 50%. Let's go up a little bit.